I do live on the Fringe, however this is not a video about me, it's about leather fringe for your Indian motorcycle. Thunderworks now offers fringe to go on the stock floorboard of your Indian 111 bikes. It's all made to where you don't need any tools to install it. Simply apply a little bit of soap to the rubber grommets and press them out, as you can see in the video. It's not as easy as it looks, but they do pop out. There's 4 of them all together. Here's another view showing how you remove the rubber pad from the floorboards on the Indian motorcycle by popping out the 4 rubber grommets. In reality, it takes about 2 or 3 minutes to do each side. Now you take the Thunderworks fringe. It's basically leather that's sewn onto ABS, and you just place it underneath the rubber pad, bringing it flush with the top, and then mount it back over the metal floorboard, lining up the holes. And now you got to get those rubber grommets to go back through the holes, which does take more effort. You kind of have to press hard and peel at them a little bit to get each one. Once they're in place, you're all set to go. These are available in tan, as shown, and also in black leather. And by the way, we now offer fringe for your levers, your clutch and brake lever. They just simply sew on with 4 little holes, and we supply the thread and needle. It's very easy. The knob on the end of your lever kind of holds it in place. By the way, the tan color looks a little bit different. These lever and grip covers have been on for a couple of years, so they've darkened with time, as will the fringe also.